We're going to count coins with Jacob.
Yeah.
Ready? 1.
Well, I had hiccups.
2. He has
2.
hiccups.
Yeah.
3.
3.
4.
4.
5. We're trying to guess how many coins are in there. How many coins do y'all think there is in here? Total coins.
1.
How many things do you think is in there, Jacob?
1, 2, 3.
How many think this is the total of coins? Do you think there's like 50 or 100? I think there's 50 coins in here.
Yeah, there's 50 coins.
Okay, so we were at 5. Yeah, we're at 5. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have 5 there. Okay, go. 6.
1, 2.
Mhm.
You don't never go.
7.
7.
8.
6.
9. 10.
No. Mommy, why open
Do
it?
another one right there. This one doesn't count as a coin. It's just a paper.
Yeah.
Okay, so you were at 10. Okay, leave it there. 10. Okay. 11. 12. 13. 14.
That is not hiccup. I cannot.
15. 16. 17. 18. 19.
Wait. 19.
20. Okay, go.
Like that or like
No,
that?
each one. Go. 21. 22.
That's it's time.
23.
Yep.
24.
Yep.
25.
Yep. Wait, that was yours.
It's okay. So you're at 25. Go, come on.
Hold on.
26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31 and 32. 33 and 34. 35 and 36.
That is yours.
Okay, go.
Go.
37 and 38. 39 and 40. 41 and 42. 43. 44. 45.
Wait.
46. 47.
I need to.
Hurry.
Wait. Go.
48. 49.
Wait. That was yours.
50. 51. Hurry up.
Oh, go. Wait,
52.
That was yours.
53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60, 61, 62,
What?
63,
You.
64, 65, 66, 67, 68. We're at 68 right now. So if anybody guessed around, I think 70 something. 69, 70, 71,
Wait.
72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81.
You say Lily.
Yeah, I said 81. You put one over there. 82, 83.
You lie, Eddie. Mommy, you lie, Eddie.
Yeah.
Me too.
84,
Yep.
85, 86, 87, 88,
We almost finished.
89,
Oh.
hold on, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95.
We almost finished.
Almost finished. 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100.
That's a lot.
This is 100 coins that Jacob counted with hiccups.
That was mine. That was yours.
Yeah.
Randy joy.
It's raining coins.